Guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. This car's finished in Signalflare Red with Palomino Interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Has factory air conditioning on it with a new compressor. It's got power steering, 289 with the automatic transmission. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. As long as you have a 650 credit score and 10% down, we can get you approved on this car right here. But we're going to take a look at it. Like I said, this car is absolutely gorgeous. Finished in that Signalflare Red with that Palomino interior. It is absolutely gorgeous. It does have the GT lights on the grille. It also has the GT Trumpet exhaust out the rear bumper that we'll show you here in just a minute. It's got the beautiful white wall tires with the correct Mustang wheels. Really looks good. All the interior is finished beautifully. Like I said, it does have the factory air unit from Ford. It does have a cassette player in the dash. Just very nice and clean. Something about this car that I absolutely love. The color is beautiful. Definitely stands out and is very nice and clean. Let me grab the key here so I can open the trunk and show you. But very nice and clean. Doors shut easy. Just a very nice and clean car. Open the trunk here. Like I said, inside the trunk's finished very nice. Does have the spare tire and does have a nice mat that matches. Mustangs do that a lot. Gas tank is underneath there. Does have the sticker. Just very nice and clean. But shut the trunk here. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Take my microphone. Trumpet exhaust is what they call that. Very nice and clean. Cut it off here. Show you the driver's side of the interior. Does have the parade boot as well. The top is tan, or I guess Palomino like the interior. Floor mats look good. Show you this here. You can pause that if you like. Let that focus. If you'd like to pause that, you can pause that and get the codes off of it. So, shut the door here. Take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood's powered by the 289. It does have power steering, and like I said, it does have factory air conditioning. Just a new compressor. Underneath the hood really looks good. Very nice and clean. I'll show you the underside of the hood. Paint and body work on this car is just absolutely gorgeous. Straight down both sides. Just a very nice clean car. But we'll take one more quick look at the 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to take this 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible for a test drive. Show you the air working here. Here, come on. Blows cold. Radio works good. All the gauges work. Just very nice and clean. Signalflare Red with that Palomino interior. Doesn't get much nicer than this. We got the top down. It's a beautiful day here in Kentucky. It's a perfect day to be driving classic cars, and we're going to take this one for a drive, see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous car here. All the gauges are working. It's very nice and clean. We got the top down, and we're going to go for a cruise as soon as the traffic clears out here. All right, here we go. car shifts through all the gears the right way, doesn't pull to the left or the right. Just a very, very nice running, driving car. It's got good power with that 289.
You won't find a nicer 66 Mustang.
No, very nice car.
Get in and run to wherever you want to go. A car show, grocery store.
Go get you ice cream.
Yep.
But we're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. I'm going to see what this car's made of. Already got people taking pictures of us, see? That could be you in this car. Now we're going to turn around and head back here. All right, here we go. We're going to get on it just a little bit. Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving car.
Wouldn't be scared to put my wife out in it.
No, it'd be
Daughter
perfect.
out in it, let them drive it.
Perfect car to take to prom or to a wedding.
Yeah, perfect.
Be perfect. So, I know wedding season's coming up, so keep that in mind. But we're gonna almost be back here. Like we say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. On our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're gonna show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video right now.